ಹಾಯ್ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ SSLC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಭಾಗ 1 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ SSLC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಭಾಗ 2 ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೈಸು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ತರದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ತಡ ಮಾಡದೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ. So first question, you just observe the questions in this side. First question, the values of x and y which satisfy the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 is the given pair of linear equation in two variables. They are asking you to what are the values of x and y. They are given four options below. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, and option B, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5, and x is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 2, and last one, that is x is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to plus 2. We know that similar question they are asked in the previous question paper also. So what we have to do here, we should do by applying what is that trial and error method. Then you can easily get an answer for this question. So here the answer is option A. Option A is correct answer. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Why this answer is correct for this question? You just substitute the values of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, then you will get the proper answer for this question. You just observe here 2 of 5 plus 3 of the value of y is 2, this is equal to 16. Then 2 5 is 10 plus 3 2 is 6, which is equal to 16. Then 16 is equal to 16. Here both LHS and RHS are equal. That's why in this equation the values of x and y satisfies. The value of x is equal to 5 and the value of y is equal to 2, right? So here the answer is option A is correct answer. So now we moving on second question. You just observe here, by solving a pair of linear equations, they are given two equations here, x plus y is equal to 8 and 2y minus x is equal to 1. The values of x and y are, here also they are given two pair of linear equation in two variables and they are asking you to what are the possible values of x and y. You just observe carefully, they are given two equations. We can easily find out the values of x and y by applying substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. The better way is elimination method, right? So here we have to solve x plus y is equal to 8 and rearrange the given equation, because they are shuffled some terms in the present equation. That's why it can be written as minus x plus 2y which is equal to 1. Then solve by applying elimination method. Here plus x minus x get cancelled out. Then y plus 2y which is equal to 3y. This is equal to 9. Then what is the value of y here? 3 is the value of y. Then put y is equal to 3 in any equation. You can put any equation. I am going to apply in first equation. We get x plus 3 is equal to 8. Then x is equal to 5, because 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So answer is, you just observe and identify the answer in the below options. Option C is correct, because in that option they are given x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Therefore here option C is correct answer. So option C, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3 is the answer for second question. Now we are moving on third question. 3x square is equal to 4 of 5x minus 3. They are asking you to the standard form of the quadratic equation 3x square is equal to 4 of 5x minus 3. You just observe here, we have to simplify the RHS first. 3x square is equal to 4 5s are 20x, that means 4 into 5x, plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12, right? Transpose 20x and minus 12 to LHS, we get 3x square minus 20x plus 12, which is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of the given quadratic equation. 3x square minus 20x plus 12 is equal to 0. You just observe here, option D is correct. That option is 3x square minus 20x plus 12. So option D is correct answer. So now we moving on fourth question. The pair of coincident lines in the following are. They are given four pair of linear equations. We already know about three conditions. One is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines, right? In intersecting lines, we have one condition, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. In parallel lines, we have another condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. And here also we have one condition, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and also equal to c1 by c2. According to this condition, we have to observe each and every equations given below, and here the correct answer is 2x plus 3y. Option B is correct. I will show you why the option 3 is correct here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18, right? You just observe here, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, transpose 9 to LHS, we get minus 9 divided by transpose 18 to LHS, we get minus 18. Here the simplified form of these three ratios are all equal to 1 by 2. Therefore here each and every pair of ratios are equal to 1 by 2. That's why it satisfies the condition coincident lines. So option B is correct answer for fourth question, right? So now we're moving on fifth question. I think this question paper is little bit easy when compared to previous model question paper. So now we're moving on fifth question. In fifth question, they are given a AP question. The sum of first 15 terms of an AP is. So they are given sum of first 15 terms, that is not A15, that is S15. A15 means that is 15th term. S15 means sum of first 15 terms. You should keep it in your mind. S15 is equal to 465 and they are given the sum of first 14 terms. S14 is equal to 406, right? 406. Then its 15th term is. They are asking you to find out the 15th term of an AP. We have one condition, right? Nth term of any AP is equal to the sum of first n terms minus sum of first n minus 1 terms. You just observe the condition here. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So this is the simple condition. We have to find out A15 here because we want 15th term. This is equal to, we have sum of first 15 terms minus sum of first 14 terms. 15 minus 1, 14, right? They are given both the values. That's why you just substitute those two values here. We get 465 minus 406, which gives A15 is equal to, what is the value of A15 here? 59. The difference of 465 and 406 is 59. You just find out which option is equal to 59. Here option B is 59. That's why here the answer for this question is B, 59. Answer B is answer 59. Then we moving on sixth question. The 20th term of an AP, that means arithmetic progression, they are given progression 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on is. We have to find out the 20th term. They are given list of numbers. In these progression, A is equal to 1 and what about D? 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. We have to find out 20th term. A plus 19D is the 20th term of an arithmetic progression. Now substitute the value of A as well as D. We get 1 plus 76 because 19 fours are, we already know about that. 77 is the answer. You just observe here, option A is correct. So write down the answer. For this question, option A 77. So now we're moving on seventh question. If x, 8, 11 and y are the consecutive terms of an AP, consecutive terms means continuous terms of an arithmetic progression, the values of x and y are respectively equal to. What are the values of x and y here? We have to find out the first term and fourth term. Let us consider x as first term, 8 as second term and 11 is third term and y is fourth term, right? So now we can easily find out the common difference here. The common difference is d is equal to 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3 here. The common difference is 3. We know that 8 is the second term, a2 is equal to a plus d, then a2 is 8, then a is, we don't know the value of a, but here a is x plus, then d is 3. You just observe here x is equal to 5 is the answer. So that means the first term of an AP is 5. Then find out the fourth term. A4 is equal to a plus 3d. We know that a4 is y. This is equal to a is a or x, both are equal because x is in first position. That's why 5, this is also equal to a, right? 5 plus 3 of 3, which is equal to 5 plus 9, 14. So now tell me what are the values of x and y here. X is 5 and y is equal to 14. You just find out which option is correct. Option D is correct, 5 and 14. Right? I hope you all understand the solution of these questions. Option D, 5 and 14 is the right answer. So now we're moving on, eighth question. If 8, x and 20 are in AP, the value of x is. Here it is also very simple question. Now we have to find out second term here. It includes two methods. One is we have to find out the common difference in between first and third by using first and third term. How can you find out the common difference in between first and third term? By using this relation, d is equal to a3 minus a1 divided by 3 minus 1. So this is the formula to find out common difference here. 20 minus 8 divided by 2, then here 12 divided by 2, then the common difference is 6. So d is equal to 6 and a is equal to, they are given here 8, then a2 is equal to a plus d, a is 8 and d is 6, so the answer is 14. Or the alternate method is, what is the shortcut method is, here x is the arithmetic mean of first and last term. That's why we have to find out by applying AM, arithmetic mean formula, x is equal to 8 plus 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 28 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So here both the answers are same. That's why here you just find out the option here. Option C is correct. Option C is 14. Then we moving on ninth question. This is very simple question. The first term and the last term of an arithmetic progression are A and L respectively, then the sum of its first n terms is. They are asking you to write the formula to find out the sum of first n terms of an AP by considering first term and last term, right? We have one formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus of n minus 1 into d, right? It can be written as n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you just observe this part, n by 2 of a plus, this is called it as nth term of an AP. It can be written as an or l, right? So this is the formula. Here the required formula is this one, n by 2 of a plus l. You just observe which option is correct. That option is option C, n of a plus l divided by 2, right? So this is the correct answer because n of 2, here these two are products, it can be written as whole divided by 2. Both are same, right? Remaining three options are wrong options. So now we're moving on 10th question here. 10th question, the roots of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 81 is equal to 0. They are given pure quadratic equation. We know that quadratic equation has two types. One is unaffected quadratic equation and pure quadratic equation. If the quadratic equations having double degree as well as single degree variable, those are all called it as affected quadratic equations. If the quadratic equation having only double degree variable, there is no single degree variable, that means that is called it as pure quadratic equation. So in these kind of pure quadratic equation, we don't need any factorization method or any formula to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. By direct simplify the given equation, then only you can easily obtain the answer for this question. 4x square is equal to transpose minus 81 to RHS, we get plus 81. Then x square is equal to 81 divided by 4. So then what is the answer here? Transpose square root to RHS, we get plus or minus square root of 81 divided by 4. So 81 and 4 both are perfect squares whose square roots is plus or minus 9 divided by 2. So you just find out the answer here. Option D is correct, plus or minus 9 by 2. Plus or minus 9 by 2 is the right answer. So then we're moving on 11th one. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You just observe the standard form, given standard form first. They are mentioned a, b as well as c. Sometimes they don't given a or b, right? So you just keep it in your mind. So they are given ax square plus bx plus c, complete quadratic condition. That's why here the required roots are x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. This is the roots of the given standard form of quadratic equation. You just observe here, option B is correct answer. Now let us move to the 12th one. Just observe here, 12th question. In finding the roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus minus 2 is equal to 0, by the method of factorization, the middle term minus x can be written as. So that is very interesting question. How can you write minus x? In place of minus x, which terms are occupied in place of minus x? They are asking you to find the values you are going to write in place of minus x here. Let us find out the product here. 6x square into minus 2, which gives minus 12x square, right? You should find out the factors of minus 12x square. 4x and 3x are the factors of 12x square, but here the product in negative sign. That's why here the value is also in middle term is also a negative. That's why you put minus here, then you will get the proper answer, because minus into plus minus 4 3 is the 12 and x into x square. So then minus 4x plus 3x, which gives minus x. So what are the answers here? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. 3x and minus 4x is the right answer. I hope you all know about this question, right? Now we're moving on 13th one. The quadratic equation in the following is, you just observe here, first one, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2x, right? Here x square get cancelled out, then it will becomes linear polynomial. So first one is wrong. So then we're moving on second one. There is no double degree variable. That's why that is also considered as linear equation in two variable, because it has two different variables. So then we're moving on third one. That is a cubic polynomial, because x plus 2 by x is equal to x square. You just multiply x or remove x here, we get x square plus 2, which is equal to x cube. It will becomes cubic polynomial. That's why what is the answer here? So option D is correct answer. That answer is x square minus x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the answer. So let us move to the 14th question. I think this question paper is very easy, I think. So let us move to the 14th question. In a right angle triangle, you just draw a right angle triangle here, ABC. So then angle B is a right angle, and angle C is equal, tan C is equal to, you just observe here, tan C is equal to root 3. Then the value of the angle A is, we have to find out angle A. How can you find out the angle A here? They are given tan C is equal to root 3. Here the denominator is 1. So opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent is the ratio of tan C. Here the opposite is side opposite to theta is called opposite, and adjacent then hypotenuse. So then here the opposite value is root 3 and adjacent value is 1. Then we have to find out angle A, right? You just observe here, what is tan C is equal to root 3 means tan 60 degree, which is equal to root 3, right? In a standard table, tan 60 degree satisfies the value of root 3. That's why here angle C is equal to 60 degree. We know that according to angle sum property of a triangle, 90 degree plus 60 degree, which is equal to 150 degree. Then what about the remaining angle? Yes, 30 degree is the remaining angle. So that's why here the answer for 14th question, that is option A, 30 degree. I hope you all understand this question. Now we're moving on next question, that is 15th one. 15th question, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, then 1 minus cos square theta is. So this is also very interesting question. According to first identity, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, then 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square theta. According to this rule, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, then what about sin square theta? 3 by 5 whole square, 9 by 25 is the answer. So you just observe the options here. Option C is correct, 9 by 25. So let us move to the 16th question. That is also very interesting question. Sin of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Then alpha plus beta is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Alpha and beta, then the value of alpha and beta are respectively equal to. We know that the sum of these two angles is less than 90 degree, right? So that's why you just observe here what angle satisfies, then sin theta is equal to 1. So that is very important. Sin 90 degree, which is equal to 1 here, and here cos 0 degree, which is equal to 1 here, right? I hope you all know the standard table very well, right? So then you just observe here alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree and alpha minus beta is equal to 0 degree. Then solve by elimination method, we get beta get cancelled out, alpha plus alpha 2 alpha, which is equal to 90. Then alpha is equal to divide 90 by 2, we get 45 degree. So this is an isosceles right angle triangle. That's why here alpha is 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree. Alpha is 45 degree and beta is also 45 degree, because we know that in a right angle triangle, it's one of its angle is right angle and then another angle is 45. That means remaining angle is also 45 degree. So here the option D is correct, 45 degree and 45 degree. So let us move to the next question, 17th one. In the given figure, here also they are given a right angle triangle. Observe here, in the given figure, ABC is a right angle triangle and angle A is equal to 30 degree. Then its opposite side is 6 centimeter. What is the length AC here, right? So we have to find out the length AC. So AC here. So by applying sin 30 degree value, we know that sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is 6, hypotenuse is AC. So 6 by AC. So now what is the sin 30 value in standard table? 1 by 2, which is equal to 6 by AC. Then cross multiply, we get AC is equal to 12 centimeter. So what is the hypotenuse here? 12 centimeter. You just observe which one is correct. So option B is correct answer, 12 centimeter. So now moving to the next one, that is 18th one. Which one of the following is a correct relation? You just observe each and every relations or each and every options, then mark proper answer here or correct answer here. First condition, tan square theta is equal to secant square plus 1. That is wrong, because that condition is tan square is equal to secant square theta minus 1 is correct, right? So that's why first one is wrong. Then second one, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, but they are given here secant theta. That's why second one is also wrong. Here these two are correct options, correct answers, but they are given A and B both are wrong conditions. So now moving on, third one, tan theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. That is also completely wrong, because tan theta is equal to sin by cos, but cot theta is equal to cos by sin, because reciprocal of tan is called it as cot theta, right? So then the last one, that is very important, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is the correct condition, because this is the first identity. So that's why option D is correct. So option D is answer for 18th question. So now we're moving on 19th one. 19th question. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. This is a very easy question. Option B is correct. You just observe here, x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So this is the formula to find out the midpoints of any two coordinates, right? So now we're moving on 20th question. 20th question, A 0, 5 and B minus 5, 0. So then the distance between the points, these 2 points is, we have one formula, D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to minus 5 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square, right? Square root of minus 5 minus 0, which is equal to minus 5 whole square plus 25. Here also 0 minus 5 minus 5 whole square 25, which is equal to root 50. Root 50 is not a perfect square, that's why we can written as 25 into 2. 25 is a perfect square. You just take out from the square root, we get 5 root 2 units is the answer, right? So here the answer for this question is option C is correct answer, 5 root 2 units. Option C, 5 root 2 units is the correct. Let us move to the 21st question. In the given graph, you just observe the graph there. In the given graph, the length of BP, the similar kind of questions are there in this question paper also. Here the answer is, that includes 2 units. That's why answer is option A, 2 units. So now we're moving on 22nd question. P of x comma y divides the line joining A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2, then x and y are equal to. So this is very simple. This particular formula belongs to section formula. That's why we already know about that formula. P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. You just find out which option is correct. Option B is correct answer for 22nd question. Let us move to the 23rd and very important question, and very tricky too. So in the cumulative frequency distribution table given below, the number of families having income range of 20,000 and 25,000 is, they are asking you to write the frequency corresponding to the class interval 20k to 25k. 20k means 20,000, 25k means 25,000, right? How can you write the frequency when they are given the more than cumulative frequency? First of all, you should convert both the class intervals, both the more than type of class interval into regular class interval and write down the frequencies here. How can you write the frequencies here? You just subtract the first cumulative frequency from second cumulative frequency from the first one, then you will get the first frequency. I hope you all know about that. Once again, I would like to write here the answer. I would like to tell you the answer here. 20,000 to 25,000 class interval, which belongs to 50 minus 37, which is equal to 13 is the answer. How the 13 is a correct answer here is, you just observe here. First of all, you should write down the class interval 5k to 10k, that means 5,000 to 10,000, and 10k to 15k and 15k to 20k and 20k to 25k and 25k to 30k, and they are given more than 30, so 30k to more than 30, right? So these are the class intervals. Now we have to find out the frequencies here. We should find out frequency like this. First frequency is 100 and second cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency is 100 more than cumulative frequency, and second cumulative more than cumulative frequency is 85. Then 100 minus 85 is the first frequency. What is the value here? 15. Now what is second frequency is 85 minus 69. 85 minus 69, which is equal to 16, is the answer. Then you just continue the same process. 69 minus 50, which is equal to 19. Then 50 minus 37, which is equal to 13, and 37 minus 15, which is equal to 22. We know that in a more than type cumulative frequency, last frequency is also equal to the last more than type cumulative frequency. I hope you all know about that. That's why here last one is also equal to 15, not 22. Here last cumulative more than type cumulative frequency is 15. That's why here the answer is 15. So now tell me the answer here. 20k to 25k, which belongs to 13. So answer 13 is the answer. So option C, 13. So then let us move to the 24th question. The average marks scored by a student of test of 6 subjects is 18. They are given 6 subject average score is 18. The sum of the marks scored by him in 5 subjects. They are given the total marks scored in 5 subjects. Total marks scored in 5 subjects is equal to 86, right? How can you find out the marks scored by remaining single subject? You just observe here, 5 subject score is 86, plus we don't know the score obtained in the remaining subject, single subject. So we should divide this sum by 6 because they are mentioned here only 6 subjects. This is equal to total average for this is 18, right? You just cross multiply 6 here, we get 86 plus x is equal to 18 6. So what is the value of 18 6 here? 108. Then transpose 86 to RHS, we get minus 86. Then what is the value of x here? 22 is the answer. So which option is correct? You just observe here, option D, 22. Let us move to the 25th question. The median and mode of a grouped scores are 26 and 29 respectively. Then the mean of the score is. They are given mean and mode here, median and mode here. They are asking you to find out the mean. We have one empirical formula. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean, right? So 3 of median is 26. This is equal to mode is 29 plus 2 mean. So 3 into 26, which is equal to 78. Transpose 29 to LHS, we get 2 mean. So 78 minus 29, which is equal to 49, divided by 2. Transpose 2 to LHS, we get 49 divided by 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 0.5. So 24.5 is the answer. You just observe here, option D is correct answer, 24.5. So let us move to the next question, that is 26th question. 26th question. In the given figure, angle B is equal to 90 degree. You just take down a right angle triangle. Sorry, ABC. In the given figure, BC is equal to 2 centimeter and AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Then length AC is, we have to find out the length of the hypotenuse here. That is very simple. AC square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square, which is equal to square. AC is equal to square root of 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. Then root 8 is not a perfect square. It can be written as 4 into 2. 4 is a perfect square, 2 root 2. So then the answer is 2 root 2 centimeter. Here the option A is correct, 2 root 2 centimeter. Let us move to the 27th question. In the given triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. This is very simple question, I think. According to basic proportionality theorem, you can easily identify which one is correct. So here D is parallel to BC. Just observe here AC by AD is equal to EC by BD. That is totally wrong statement. And AD by DE is equal to AE by BC is also wrong. But here the correct option is option C. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So this is very simple question. That's why here the option C is correct answer here. So let us move to the 28th question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and their areas are in the ratio 25:9. If BC is equal to 5 centimeter, then the length of QR is. So this is belongs to areas of similar triangle theorem. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, which is equal to BC square divided by QR square, or you can written as BC by QR whole square. This is the condition for areas of similar triangle theorem statement, right? They are given the ratio 25 divided by 9, I think. 25 divided by 9, which is equal to, they are given BC here 5 divided by QR, transpose square to LHS, we get square root here. 25 and 9 both are perfect squares, whose square roots are 5 by 3, which is equal to 5 by QR. Then 5 get cancelled out. Then what is the value of QR here? QR is equal to 3 centimeter. So here which one is correct? Option B is correct answer. So then we're moving on 29th question. Just observe here 29th question. That is also very easiest question. The measure of three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then the triangle is. According to angle sum property of a triangle, 1x plus 2x plus 3x whose sum is always equal to 180 degree. Here the sum is 6x is equal to 180 degree. Then the value of x is 30. Then we have to find out the remaining angles here. 1x is 30. Then what about 2x? 2x is equal to 60 degree. Then what about 3x? 3x is equal to 90 degree. We know that if any triangle consists of one right angle, then it is called it as right angle triangle. Here the answer is option B. Right angled is the correct answer. Right angled triangle. Then we moving on 30th question. 30th question. The true statement in the following is. You just observe first statement. Two similar triangles are always congruent. That is totally wrong, because each and every congruent figures are similar, but each and every similar figures need not to be congruent. So aglebekanತ rule illa. So then we moving on second one. A square and a rectangle are always similar. That is also completely wrong statement, because square and rectangle, these two are not a similar figures. Two equiangular triangles are always similar. That is perfectly right statement. We moving on fourth one. A square and a rhombus are always similar. That is also a false statement. Here option C. Two equiangular triangles are always similar. Two equiangular triangles. You just observe here, equiangular triangles are similar. Let us move to the 31st question. The lengths of the tangents are drawn to a circle from a point outside it. The lengths of the tangents drawn from a circle from a point outside it, both the lengths are equal. So option B is correct, or equal. So then 32nd question. O is in the given circle with center O, ACB is a straight line and AE and BD are the tangents. If AB is equal to 12 centimeter, AE is equal to 3 centimeter, the length of BD. Just observe the given figure here. They are given circle with center O and straight line ACB, and here A is one tangent and BD is another tangent, right? They are given the length AB, which is equal to 12 centimeter, and the length AE, which is equal to 3 centimeter, right? We know that lengths of the tangents drawn from an external points are equal, right? Then AE is also equal to AC, which is equal to 3 centimeter. So then what about CB? 12 minus 3, which is equal to 9 centimeter is the length of CB. Then DB is also equal to 9 centimeter, because DB and BC are the tangents drawn from an external point B to the circle with center O. That's why the length BD, which is equal to 9 centimeter, here option D is correct answer. Let us move to the 33rd question. In a circle with center O, the secant is. So that is a very simple one. Here xy is the secant, because we already know the definition of secant. Secant means it is a line which passes any 2 points on the circle. That's why xy is the correct answer. Here B is correct, xy. They are asking you to write the secant. So what is tangent here? AB is the tangent, right? PQ is the chord and RQ is also a chord, but that is call it as a diameter or biggest chord of a circle, right? Then to the 34th question. A student divided a line of length 9 centimeter in the ratio 2 is to 3, right? 2 is to 3, total length is 9 centimeter. Then calculation are respective, the correct lengths of AM and MB obtained by calculation are respectively equal to. You just observe the figure in the given question paper. We have to find out the length, both the lengths here. We know that these ratio can be written as 2x plus 3x is equal to 9, right? 2x plus 3x, which is equal to 5x. 5x is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 by 5. So 5 ones are 0.58. So x is equal to 1.8. Then what are the lengths belong respective to these two ratios? So 2x is the first part. That's why 2 into 1.8, which is equal to 3.6 centimeter, and 3x, which is equal to 3 into 1.8, which is equal to 5.4. So which is the answer here? Option C, 3.6 centimeter and 5.4 centimeter is the correct answer. Let us move to the 35th question. The correct relation between the sides of the triangle ABC given in the figure is, they are given right angle triangle and they are asking you to identify the Pythagoras condition, right? Option D is correct. B square is equal to A square plus C square, because according to Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So then we're moving on 36th question, that is also direct question. The volume of the surface area of a sphere is numerically equal, then the radius of the sphere is volume and the surface area. Volume and the surface area. So what is the formula to find out volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. And what is the formula to find out surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. We know that 4 pi get cancelled out. Then r square cube get cancelled out. Then we have r by 3, which is equal to 1. Then transpose 3 to RHS, we get r is equal to 3 centimeter. Here option A is correct. 3 units. 3 units is the right answer. Let us move to the 37th question. 37th question. A funnel given in the figure is the combination of. You just observe here. Sometimes we got confusion about this particular diagram. That is not cone. So that is a frustum of a cone and cylinder, right? Because it has two circular bases. One base is equal to the top surface of the cylinder, and another one is the circular surface. That's why option B is correct. A cylinder and a frustum of a cone is correct answer. So 38th question. The solid is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and hemisphere are equal to r centimeter. If the height of the cylinder is h centimeter, the volume of the solid is. We know that volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h plus 2 into volume of hemispheres, right? 2 into volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? You just take down the common factors here. Pi r square as common factor, we have h plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3. Here 1 r is remaining. So this is the answer. They are given option A, pi r square of 4r divided by 3 plus h centimeter cube. Both are correct because h plus 4r divided by 3 or 4r divided by 3 plus h, both are same, right? So now moving on, 39th question. The height and the radius of the base of a cone, h is equal to 12 centimeter and r is equal to 5 centimeter respectively, then the slant height of the cone is, we have to find out the slant height here. The relation between the slant height and the height radius of the cone is L is equal to square root of h square plus r square, right? So which implies h square is 12 square plus 5 square, which is equal to square root of 169, because 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25, 144 plus 25, which is equal to 169. Then L is 13 centimeter. So your option, wait a second, option C is correct, 13 centimeter. So now we're moving on, last question from this question paper. A frustum of a cone shaped jaggery is melted and remolded completely to the shape of a sphere. Then the volume of sphere is, we have one frustum of a cone shaped jaggery is melted and remolded completely to the shape of a sphere. Then the volume of the sphere is, both the volumes are same. That's why option D is correct. That's it.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ SSLC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ 1, ಭಾಗ 2, ಭಾಗ 3, ಈ 3 ಭಾಗಗಳು ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಭಾಗ 2 ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನಂತರದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅತಿ ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಭಾಗ 3. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಅತಿ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ, 30 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಹೋದರೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರದ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ 2 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು, 3 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು, 4 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು, ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 3ರಿಂದ 4 ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಿ ವಿತಿನ್ ಎ ವೀಕ್, ಅಂದರೆ 1 ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇ ಆದರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇ ಆದರೆ, ನಾವು ಆ ಥರ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಅತಿ ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಲೈಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.